Hello lovelies, it's Marie-Louise here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm having a little fun with resin, creating 4 different cabinet knobs. So welcome along. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much to all my supporters in whichever way. Thank you to my members and my subscribers. Being on this creative journey with you means the world. So today, thank you for joining me as I create 4 DIY resin cabinet knobs. I'm kitting out my kitchen with these knobs. I'm trying to decide which one of these 4 I should use. So I'm just taking them out the packet, these lovely moulds. I'm just trying to imagine at this stage how big they're going to be when actually using them, how the colours are going to turn out, how I can try the colour palettes in different ways, both with mica, chameleon powder and the alcohol inks, to see what little pattern is created. So I just can't wait to see how these are going to turn out. I'm using the tiniest amount of mica powder, which is mixed in resin, and this is Resiners resin, but you can use any resin that you like, and the mica powder is by Resiners as well. Really lovely mica powder, and I'm using tiny amounts, really patiently, just dripping it in and layering it. And at this stage I've got no idea how it's going to turn out, but oh my goodness, the colour palette I'm really enjoying. So I'd love to know what you think as I go along about the amount of mica powder. I'd like to know, is this the colour palette that you'd use? Is it a colour palette that you'd think of using? Which colour, which shape, which size you would think would be suitable for your kitchen knobs? And also notice how the colours change slightly in each shape and each size. So I'm putting the same amount in each one, but they're very slightly different in diameter. You can see the surface area on the top is different, the depth is different. So I'm just so excited to experiment with these 4, and then I'm going to choose one at the end. And in a future video I'm going to do 12 of them, and I'm going to put them on my kitchen cabinets after repainting them. As I pour, I'm leaning towards the larger, deeper, rounded one. I'd love to know which one at this stage is your favourite. So enjoy the music, and I'll come back towards the end and show you the results and show you which one I actually went for.
So beautiful, you're everything I've waited for, and so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. Love is going where we go to have it hope forever. Let's start our life together. Start our life together. Let's start our life together. When you're tired and worn, and you feel like you can't go on, I'll be there to put one foot in front of the other. When you've lost your way, foot in front of the other. I'll be there for you. Every fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. I'll be there for you. Yeah, I'll be there for you. In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Don't let go. In your heart, you know you're strong and you're brave enough. It's your time. You were made to fly. Never ever giving up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. I fell asleep on the bus ride home, writing down my thoughts, although my words, they don't seem to flow. So I keep telling myself, yeah, I just need a little time away.
Finishing touches now to the moulds, and I'm leaving them in my G3 resin machine. So they're going to cure in 2 hours. And then I'm just wondering at this point, beyond the kitchen, these knobs could brighten up dresser drawers, bedside tables, craft cabinets, or even a little cupboard in a cosy nook. So thank you so much for joining me today. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll be experimenting with the larger moulds. I think I've decided the larger, deeper ones are for me. So which knob would you pick? Would it be this one? Or would it be one of the other three? Let me know in the comments below. And as a viewer, which shape calls to you? So as you look at the close-ups of all the finished knobs, all 4 of them, look at how the light dances across the mica and the inks. Each one has its own sparkle and its own tiny story. I had them out in the sunlight and then I had them on a darker day, and they just have some sort of sparkle no matter what the light was in different directions. So imagine your cupboard goes in 2 different directions and the sunlight comes through one of the windows. Just imagine how the sunlight would hit it. And I've been with a few of my furry friends this week, so enjoy as you watch my little robin friend and my 3-horse friends as we come towards the end of this video today. And don't forget, your thoughts really matter. So which knob would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. And I want to thank you all for being on this journey with me. After recently losing my beloved pet Eve, I've been finding little ways to sprinkle joy and beauty into my home, and also finding comfort in nature with my furry friends. So don't forget that your art is a piece of you, and we're on this journey together. So keep creating, keep shining, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.